Am I the only one that didn't know overripe bananas could be so amazing? Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Overripe bananas are gold in the kitchen. Let's whip up a delicious banana pudding with caramel sauce. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab those 3 ripe bananas and mash them in a bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 beaten eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together until smooth. Next, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt in another bowl. Gradually mix the dry ingredients into the banana mixture. Pour the batter into a greased baking dish and bake for 45 minutes. While that's baking, let's make the caramel sauce. In a saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of butter, add 1 cup of brown sugar, and stir until dissolved. Pour in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and bring to a boil, stirring constantly for 5 minutes. Once the pudding is done, let it cool slightly, then drizzle the warm caramel sauce on top. For an extra touch, add a generous dollop of whipped cream on top. Enjoy your homemade banana pudding with caramel sauce and whipped cream. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. How to make banana cheesecake. This dessert is the perfect way to elevate those ripe bananas to a whole new level of deliciousness. First, gather all your ingredients. 2 cups of crushed graham crackers, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 3 ripe bananas, 2 cups of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Let's start by preparing the crust. Mix the crushed graham crackers with the melted butter until well combined. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a springform pan to form an even crust. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Bake the crust for 10 minutes, then let it cool completely. Now let's make the filling. Begin by blending the ripe bananas until smooth. In a separate bowl, beat the cream cheese and sugar together until fluffy. Next, add the banana puree and vanilla extract to the cream cheese mixture, blending until smooth and well incorporated. In another bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the banana cream cheese mixture, being careful not to deflate the whipped cream. Pour the filling over the crust in the springform pan, smoothing the top with a spatula to ensure an even surface. Look at that creamy banana cream cheese filling. Now it's time to chill the cheesecake. Refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight to allow it to set completely. Once the cheesecake is fully chilled, remove it from the springform pan. Decorate with fresh banana slices on top for an extra touch of banana flavor. And there you have it, a delectable banana cheesecake that's sure to impress. Enjoy every creamy banana-filled bite. Banana cake! This cake is moist, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. Let's dive right in. First, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, 4 ripe bananas mashed, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of milk. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Now let's get started with the batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Give it a good whisk to ensure everything is well combined. Set this dry mixture aside. In another bowl, beat the sugar and melted butter together until creamy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Now, mix in the mashed bananas and vanilla extract until smooth and well incorporated. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture, alternating with the milk. Start and end with the dry mixture. Mix just until combined. Be careful not to overmix. Grease and flour a 9x13-inch baking pan. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it out evenly with a spatula. Bake in the preheated oven for 35-40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. While the cake is cooling, let's talk about decorating ideas. You can frost the cake with a classic cream cheese frosting or a simple vanilla buttercream. For an extra touch of banana flavor, top with fresh banana slices or a sprinkle of chopped nuts. And there you have it, your best ever banana cake, ready to impress. Enjoy every bite of this delightful banana cake. Now that your banana cake has cooled and you've added your favorite frosting, it's time to admire your creation. Let's take a closer look at this masterpiece. Isn't it just mouth-watering? The perfect blend of ripe bananas and sweet frosting makes this cake an irresistible treat. Whether you're serving it at a special occasion or just indulging in a slice with a cup of tea, this banana cake is sure to impress. Look at that moist, fluffy interior. Absolutely delightful. Welcome back, banana lovers. Now that we've savored the delicious banana cake, let's switch things up and make some easy banana and blueberry muffins. These muffins are perfect for breakfast or a quick snack, and they're super simple to whip up. First, let's gather our ingredients. 1 1/2 cups of self-raising flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 ripe bananas mashed, 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, combine the self-raising flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon. In another bowl, whisk together the eggs, vegetable oil, and mashed bananas until smooth. Gradually mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients until just combined. Gently fold in the fresh blueberries. Spoon the batter into a lined muffin tin, filling each cup about 2/3 full. Bake for 20-25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And there you have it. Delicious, fluffy banana and blueberry muffins that are sure to be a hit. Welcome back, banana enthusiasts. If you thought banana and blueberry muffins were easy, wait until you try these delightful banana dumplings. Perfect for a cozy dessert or a sweet snack, these dumplings will surely become a new favorite. First, let's gather our ingredients. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 ripe bananas, mashed, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, and baking powder. In another bowl, mix together the milk, egg, vegetable oil, and mashed bananas until smooth. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Spoon the batter into a greased dumpling tray or small muffin tin, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Bake for 15-20 minutes or until the dumplings are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And there you have it. Easy and delicious banana dumplings that are perfect for any occasion. Enjoy them warm with a drizzle of honey or a dollop of whipped cream. Welcome back, banana enthusiasts! We've explored so many delicious banana recipes, and now it's time for something refreshing and nutritious. A banana smoothie bowl. Perfect for breakfast or a healthy snack, this smoothie bowl will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. First, let's gather our ingredients. 2 ripe bananas, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/2 cup of frozen berries. Your favorite toppings: granola, chia seeds, sliced fruits, and nuts. Start by peeling and slicing the bananas. Place them in a blender along with the Greek yogurt, almond milk, honey, and frozen berries. Blend until smooth and creamy. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a little more almond milk to reach your desired consistency. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and get creative with your toppings. Add a handful of granola for crunch, sprinkle some chia seeds for extra nutrition, and top it off with sliced fruits and nuts of your choice. And there you have it, a delicious and vibrant banana smoothie bowl that's as beautiful as it is tasty. Enjoy this delightful treat and stay tuned for more banana-inspired recipes. Thanks for watching.